Hi, I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how you use the multimeters that we use here in our science lessons and show you how you would connect them up just to help you if you're doing any particular practical tasks in physics where you need to measure the voltage or the current through or across different components. So I'm going to start out by showing you how to use this multimeter as an ammeter. Okay, so I've got in my circuit I've got some batteries up here, and that's coming round in a wire loop. I've just connected these two wires together to make it quicker, and then it goes round and into the bulb, and then this red is going all the way back round to the battery over here. So if I want this to be an ammeter, I need to pay attention to the settings on here. So you might notice here where there's this A with this funny little symbol. This means that it's the current of DC electricity, so an ammeter for DC, which is what we'd expect for a battery like this. And I'm going to just spin the dial round so it points here at the 10. Now you can see that we've got some numbers have appeared up here. This is designed to read currents of up to 10 amps with a precision or resolution of 0.01 amps. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to break the circuit for a moment here, and then if I have a look here, this one here is marked common, and this one here is marked amps here. So you see how it reads 10A. I'm going to plug that one in there. I'll just move the bulb back up. And as you can see, the bulb is back on, and we've now got a reading on here. So I would read this, that the current flowing through this circuit is 0.2 amps. Just going to connect these two back together again and put them back how I had them a second ago. Now the other thing that might be quite useful to know is what the potential difference across the bulb is. We measure that in volts, so you sometimes hear people say, what's the voltage? I don't mind which term you use, that's okay. I'm just going to plug these in across. So you see how those two connections have gone in across. I'm going to bring the multimeter back in. I'm just going to move that off to one side. Now I've got it set at the moment to be 10 amps still here, but I need it to be a voltmeter now to read the potential difference across there. So I'm going to turn this round until it points at 20 volts. Again, see the V for volts, and then that symbol there showing me it's DC. And I'm going to take the two leads from my connection here across the bulb, and I'm going to plug it in here. Do you see how this has got, this hole here has got a V above it? So obviously ignoring the fact that that's 10A amps. This one is a V here, so I'm going to plug in there. And I'm going to take the other lead as well, and I'm going to plug it into this one here, again the common one, always into the common one. And you can see if I move some of the wires out of the way, that we've now got a voltage of 2.19. If I change the reading here, so maybe change the scale, just click it round one, we've still got 2.1, but can you see how the decimal place has moved, and therefore the resolution of the reading has changed as well. I hope that's been helpful in setting up voltmeters and ammeters using the multimeters to read the different characteristics of the circuit.